In this video, we will show you how to create an account on Squarespace. To create an account on Squarespace, please open squarespace.com and then click Get Started. And in here, you can describe what your site about and click one of these options. I select technology and click Next. And what is the top goals of your website? We can select publish a blog or other media, for example, and click Next. Where are you in your process? Okay, collecting inspiration, just click Finish. In here, this is we can get the best templates because we select category before. Squarespace is recommend this template based on our selecting options before. Okay, let's select one. For example, is this. Okay, and in here we can continue with Google account or continue with email. I prefer continue with email. And in here, let's create our account. Click continue. In here we can click never. Okay, this is our site title. For example, let's select my tech blog and click continue, and we can click next. Okay, this is just about guide tutorial, guys, and click get started. And this is our first blog or website on Squarespace, and later we will continue tutorial about Squarespace. And don't forget to confirm your email address if you register via email. Okay, on email inbox we see there is we get trial for this, and this is some important detail, and this is our website address and our email address. And if we want to live our website, we can click upgrade in here, and we will continue tutorial about Squarespace in this channel. And don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.